This tiny critter is armed and dangerous. It's a real-life comic book-style superhero. And the snapping shrimp, also known as the pistol shrimp, has the planet's loudest stun gun built into its claw. Although it's no larger than a human's index finger, this temperate and tropical coastal water shrimp could be the most powerful animal on Earth. Wait, really? Just how dangerous could this little claw be? How can such a tiny creature make such a loud noise? And how can it aim when it's nearly blind? You'd better find cover. Here comes a pistol shrimp. The pistol shrimp's gun claw is half the size of its body. It's red and chunkier than its other wispy claw. One pincer of a gun claw fits snugly into the other pincer like a plunger into a socket. The opposing muscles in these pincers allow the shrimp to snap them shut at the ridiculously high speed of 100 kilometers per hour. It creates a super fast jet stream and a water bubble that rips through the water. This process is called cavitation. You might know about that from using marine propellers and water turbines. The high speed causes low water pressure around the shrimp's claw, but as the bubble rides its jet stream further away from the claw, it encounters higher surrounding pressure. And snap! The bubble bursts and makes a sound so loud, it kills small invertebrates and other shrimp. We're talking about a painful 210 dB snap. That's way louder than any human gun and the sound of a fighter jet plane taking off. It produces a little bit of light too, but the heat it makes is much more impressive at about 5,000 degrees Celsius. That's as hot as the sun's surface. Luckily, the entire process is over within milliseconds. There are about 1,000 species of pistol shrimps in the world. It isn't clear why they evolved to have such an over-the-top weaponized claw. I mean, simpler claws seem to work just fine for other shrimps. But who cares when this trigger-happy shrimp seems to be living its best life? Snappy, as we like to call him, can even drop its gun and switch it to its other claw. That means it can detach its entire claw and regenerate another one. Snapping shrimps zap their claws at rocks and make holes to live in. Female pistol shrimps use their gun claws to fire chemicals when they're ready to mate. But here's the craziest part. Pistol shrimps are practically blind. But the more successful ones have an accomplice. The tiny goby fish has a symbiotic relationship with many species of pistol shrimp. The shrimp digs burrows so the goby fish can hide from predators. In return, the goby serves as the shrimp's eyes. A pistol shrimp will place an antenna on the goby's body. When a predator appears, the goby makes a fin movement to signal the shrimp to retreat into its burrow. And when the shrimp's prey is in range, the goby will prompt the shrimp to fire. They provide food for each other too. Not all shrimps have a goby for a friend, but ones that do are known to live longer. Some species of snapping shrimps cooperate in other ways. They're the only marine animal to live in colonies. Like honeybees, the entire colony serves a female queen, as it should be. Some males have breeding duties. Others are non-breeding workers that provide food and care for the young. But after all this talk about how fast and dangerous pistol shrimp's claws are, you might be wondering, should you be worried about getting shot by a pistol shrimp? No humans are known to have been gunned down by pistol shrimps. The sound and heat occur and vanish so fast that humans can't sense it without assistance. And like all shrimps, pistol shrimps like to hide under rocks, shells, and reefs. They don't interact much with humans. But the little shrimp's colorful appearance and gun-wielding antics are making it a popular aquarium pet. And no, it cannot break the glass of your aquarium with its gun. But if you're using sonar, you might hear them. Snapping shrimps can dominate the underwater soundscape when a whole colony of them is firing away. During World War II, these gun-toting shrimps briefly jammed the U.S. Navy's sonar, shooting superheated jet streams and making friends with goby fish. That's what pistol shrimps do, and that's what makes them crazy creatures.